Last night the tornadoes hit France, and there was a tornado about 2 miles up the road in Creuse, and the tiles were all rattling on the roof, and I've come upstairs to see what's happened, and Mandy's up the ladder, and as you can see, we've lost tiles and we've lost a window out the attic roof. There's a little skylight window up in the eaves, and she's having a good old poke round, and as you can see, yeah, it's not good up here. Basically there's a big puddle on the floor and she's poking her head out. She can't help herself, can she?
Don't know why I opened it, really.
No.
I see the glass. See if I can reach it.
Is it broken?
You know what? I don't think it is.
She's part monkey, this one.
Chimney needs pointing.
Yeah, well, the whole house needs pointing. We're actually going over to Chateau Montmagny in about, what, 4 weeks, is it? Oh, you can't hear me, but we're going over to Chateau Montmagny to do a pointing course, aren't we?
It looks like it's not broken. But that tack is sticking in your middle.
Do you want me to have a go? I'm not very good at heights, but...
No, you're not going to be able to.
Oh no, no, not going to get my rather portly midriff through there, am I?
Have we got a bit of mixing, mixing here? Let's get a bit of.
This thing don't want to point where you...
Pinch me belly.
Oh no!
I can reach it. That saved us a huge amount of problems.
Yeah. Sorry about the light, folks. There's no electricity up here. It's a job for the future. Have you got it? Well done.
Then I'm getting in, but I've got that.
Well done. I'm coming.
There's the glass, and it's curved at the top end as well.
Yeah,
Cheers, love.
I got it. That would have been a fortune to cut, I think. Well
Brilliant.
done. Ooh.
Perforated me midriff.
Oh.
Fantastic.
So now, does the frame come out?
I don't know. I'm going to have a look at the other one and see how that's fixed in.
Yeah.
Because there seems to be 2 metal points at the top and 2
Yeah.
at the bottom that looks like it might be clips or something.
Yeah.
So I want to go and have a quick look at that one, and then we'll get that sorted before the rains come back in.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. Got the frame and we got the glass, and we're gonna basically
Put the glass
yeah
in the frame.
put the glass in the frame like so. Yeah, we're gonna give it a good old sand up, and probably use a bit of silicone, because the putty we got from the Brico last time,
Rubbish.
it was absolutely rubbish and dissolved in the rain. So yeah, we got some silicone downstairs, and we're probably just silicone it in, and hope for the best this time.
Yeah.
Because yeah,
Give the frame a bit of a clean as well.
yeah, give it a clean and maybe a bit of amorite or something. Yep.
Perfect, right, let's do this before the rains come in. There you go, it's putty out.
Looking better already, my love.
It is, isn't it? Not the job I wanted to do today, but...
No, supposed to be doing electrics, weren't we?
But necessity, I think.
Yeah. I thought there was a hell of a lot of crashing and banging last night. I thought it was
No snoring.
yeah. No, I thought it was next door's roof, but yeah, it was a bit too close to be next door's roof, wasn't it?
So, tell you what, we were so lucky then.
Yeah.
If we hadn't gone up and checked this morning,
Yeah.
and it rained,
Yeah. If we
the loft would be soaking.
if we hadn't needed electrics, and we just sat doing electrics this morning and hadn't gone out.
Yeah. And if the wind had changed direction and the glass would have slipped off the roof,
Yeah.
or if the glass had been any further down the roof, I wouldn't have been able to reach it.
Yeah. Glass, not glass.
Glass.
Glass. We've got a little bit of a problem. This little hook has snapped off. It was basically just rust at the bottom, and I've ground this little tab down so it's flat. And without this latch, the only thing holding this metal frame down is gravity. So the first bit of wind that comes along, like last night's tornado, and this metal frame will be flapping around in the breeze like this, and the glass will shatter. So I'd love to weld this on, but unfortunately I'm not allowed to weld anymore because I'm highly epileptic. So I've gave my welder back, and yeah, so we got a bit of a problem. I'm going to try and drill this tab, hence I've ground it down, and drill this tab down and put a bolt in there. So yeah, I'm going to see how I go. Wish me luck.
Okay. There we go. So what are you doing now then?
Well, I'm going to get a bit of wire similar to this, poke it through, and I'm going to probably nail the sides of it a bit, jam it in, and hope for the best. So,
Yeah, as somebody was cleaning it, I shall not be named.
it was, well, you can see the state of it. It's absolutely rusted through to virtually nothing at the bottom. So it didn't have any life.
It snapped off, and that is the only thing that is keeping this window closed. And I'm having a look at the other one.
The one on the other one's missing, so we're going to have to do the same on the other one.
Well, we need to find a big, one of
we
the...
need to find one of these for the other one.
or something similar.
Yeah. So Bracon one day if we see one of those in a brocante.
Definitely.
Yeah.
The things you do when you're not meant to be doing it.
Yeah, we didn't even know we needed to do this job.
But obviously it does need doing, and I would think as well, the other one, the glass, if the glass has fallen out of this one, then I would think the other one won't be too far behind it, really.
Yeah.
So it might be worth having a check on that one as well.
Yeah. Oh well, right, carry on before the rain comes in. We've got no clear skeleton, so we haven't got time to rush to a bricko, and the local hardware store is shut for lunch, so I found half a tube of white silicone in the cave, so hopefully it's not going to run out by the time we get to the other end and we'll have enough to glue in the window.
Well, let's face it, any is better than none, especially if it's due to rain and we've got a big hole in the ceiling or the roof now.
The rain is coming in at 5.
Well, it says 5. It'll be here before that, looking outside.
Down. I think Storm Lorenzo, or whatever it is, had passed.
Is that not the UK storm? I don't know.
The UK storm. But, yeah, hopefully I think we're all right.
As long as we can get that back up there before the rain does come in, and then that way at least it'll protect the floor up there.
No one's ever going to see it, are they?
Well, no. Right, it's just started raining. It's not quite dry, but it'll have to do. Right, this is going to be fun. Which way up does it go?
The other way. Yeah.
I'm going out.
Can you see how it goes?
Yeah, it just clips on the hooks, doesn't it?
Yeah. You in and done?
Yeah. Job's a good one.
Job's a good one. Is it latched? Is it on?
No, we need the bar.
Which is?
You had it.
I had it.
Yes. You brought it up the stairs with you because I was carrying this.
Right.
It's somewhere safe.
All right.
It's somewhere safe, is it?
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
Don't panic.
Not the most secure fastening, but
Is that all it does? Someone's MacGyvered a... Oh, that's brilliant. I think one day we'll have to
do this one and the other one. Put proper catches. So all it needs is something that just slots over there, really.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it started raining. The rain's on the window.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a good old fix. And as you can see, I don't know if you can make that out, but the rain started. Just in the nick of time.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't plan on doing this. That's my hand.
Sorry.
We didn't plan on doing this today, as you can probably tell. Well done, my lovely.
Right. Well, that's good. Phew. I feel better now. I'll be able to sleep tonight.
Yeah, and as always, like, subscribe.
And, well.
We'll see you again next week.
Au revoir.
Hello, me lovely. Yeah.
It's still a bit tacky, but it's holding.
It's holding.
Not leaking.
Not leaking.
No.
Grand. Best close it up.
Right, will do.
It's getting a bit drafty down here.
See you for a coffee.
Okay.